ready to send money internationally with ease. Let's get your Remitly account set up in just a few minutes. First, head over to the Remitly website or download their app. You'll need to click on Sign Up or Create Account, enter your email address, choose a strong password, and select your country of residence. Next, you'll be prompted to provide some personal information. This includes your full name, date of birth, and your current address. Make sure everything you enter is accurate, as this will be used for verification. To ensure your account is secure, Remitly requires identity verification. You'll typically have a few options, like uploading a picture of your government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Follow the on-screen instructions to upload clear photos of your document. Sometimes, Remitly might also send a verification code to your phone number. Enter this code into the app or website to confirm your contact information. Now it's time to link how you'll fund your transfers. Remitly allows you to connect your bank account or add a debit card. Select your preferred method and enter the required details, like your account number or card information. That's it. Once your payment method is linked and your identity is verified, your Remitly account will be ready to go. You've successfully completed the setup, and you're now just a few clicks away from making your first international money transfer.